about Jeffrey and the company.
I'm not here to work. The storm last night, I need a new phone.
Okay, that looks like $22.56.
Yeah, I gave Jonathan all my money. Copies for posters.
Yes, of course. Of course.
I was thinking 2 weeks.
I understand, but I have to be careful.
Donald, I've been here 10 years. Right? Have I ever called in sick or missed a shift once? I've worked Christmas Eve and Thanksgiving.